In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Spotify display name. Now, it's important to note right from the start that on Spotify, while you can actually change your username, you do have the flexibility to alter your display name. This is the name that will appear on your profile and in any shared activity or playlist, so you can make it something that's a bit more personal or fun. Let's begin by heading over to the Spotify web player. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Spotify's official website. Once there, log into your account if you're not already signed in. After accessing your account, the next step is to locate your profile icon. You should find this at the top right corner of the web page, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, the next thing you want to do is click on Profile. Selecting this option will take you directly to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see your current display name prominently featured along with your existing playlists, top artists, and more. Now, to change your display name, look for a highlighted clickable area or an edit button somewhere on this page. It might just look like a pencil or simply says edit. When you click on this, an editing interface will pop up, allowing you to make changes to your profile. Here's where you can update your name to whatever you'd like it to be displayed as. Simply type in the new name you'd like to use. Feel free to be creative here. Just ensure it's something you're happy representing you. After you've typed in your new display name, the final step is crucial. Find the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the editing page, and click it. This will make sure all the changes you've made to your profile are preserved. And there you have it. Your new display name should now be active and visible to anyone who views your profile or engages with any of your content on Spotify. If at any point you decide you want to update your display name again, feel free to follow these same steps. Changing your display name can be a fun way to personalize your presence on the platform, so don't hesitate to switch it up every now and then. Thank you for joining me today, and happy listening on Spotify.